Welcome. So in this class, we're going to be solving for the intercept of two linear lines by using a different method. You can use graphing, you can use substitution, but today we're going to learn about elimination. So you should take your notes. You should have a title, 1.4 elimination. Learning goal, I can solve using the elimination process. So elimination is a little bit different. What we can do is solve using elimination. Okay, so we have x plus y is equal to 8, and then we have x minus y is equal to 2. From the last class, we could isolate for one variable and then substitute it into the other one, but that method actually takes longer. Elimination is a better method, depending on the situation, but usually it is faster. What you want to do is you want to kill one of the variables. So when I look on here, I'm going to put an operation. Here's my operation. And I'm thinking to myself, what can I do to eliminate one of the variables? I have x and y. Well, you can either add or subtract. So in this case, if I subtract my two equations, okay, this guy minus this guy, you'll find something. X minus x, I have 0 x's. X plus y minus plus y, that's the same as saying y minus y, so that's the same as plus. That's going to be plus 2y. 8 minus 2, we get 6. And so now effectively my equation is this 2y is equal to 6, so therefore y is equal to 3. You can see that this method is much faster than using substitution. And then after I find my answer, we can have A and B. We have to find the second one. And we can find the second one by substituting it in. So if I want to find out x, we can sub y into equation A, solve for x. So let's do that. So x is going to be equal to 8 minus y. 8 minus 3, get 5. So therefore the point of intercept is equal to 5, 3. And that's pretty much to it. You can either add or subtract. And what happened to this guy? He was eliminated. Okay, that's what happened. He was eliminated. He was killed. 0 times anything is 0. So he was eliminated. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do a harder one. Example number 2. We have 2x minus 4y is equal to 9. And then we have 5x plus 4y is equal to 5. So we have more numbers. It's the same idea. So the first thing you want to look is, what variable can I kill? Well, you have to look at the variables that are the same. And if they're not the same, in the next class, I'll show you how we can multiply or divide a constant to make the two variables the same. But in this case, I can identify that we have a magnitude of 4 and 4 right here. So how can I eliminate that, or either add or subtract? So if I add these two guys together, they're going to kill anyway. So I can add there. Okay. So right here, you can either add or subtract. So I'm adding. So this is 5, 6, 7. I have 7x is equal to 14. Divide by 7. X is equal to 2. Boom. That was a fast one. And then we can substitute it in to solve for one of them. So we'll call this A and B. let me use this one here. Sub x into equation B, solve for y. So I have 4y is equal to negative 5x plus 5, and I'm putting in 4y is equal to negative 5 times 2 plus 5. 4y is equal to negative 10 plus 5, which is equal to 5. Divide by 4, divide by 4, y is equal to 5 over 4. Leave it as a fraction, don't use a decimal, okay? That's showing you that you're doing the work. So the point of intercept is going to be 2. We always put x first, then the y, which is 5 over 4. And then how can I check to verify that this is working is you can put these two variables, the x and y, into your equation and make sure that the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. And if that's true, then it's working, okay? So you can work on the schoolwork, 1.4 schoolwork.